In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to extend a song in Suno AI. So let's get started. So once you're here, you just simply want to go into the Create section on the left menu. And from here, you should now be able to see all of the songs that you have in Suno. So just simply navigate to the song that you'd want to extend. For example, I would want to go to my recent one. So I'm going to go here and click on the three dots on the right side. And in here, we should see the remix or edit. So you want to hover your cursor here, and then you want to go here into the other menu and just go for extend. And now, when you click on that, you will now have this prompt. So you already have styles. Do you want to overwrite your current style? So if you'd be fine with overwriting it, you can click here. Or if you would want to cancel your extension, is that you can click here and keep current. So I'm just going to go for override. And in here, you will now be able to extend your song right here. So as you can see right here, this is how much you'll be keeping from your current song that you've created, and then this is how much will be recreated. So you could go and um, slide this right here to make it the full duration of the song that you have right here if you would want to keep the whole song itself. But if there's some part that you don't want to be included, then you can just simply adjust the duration here. So I'm fine with this one. So it will not be extending from 32 seconds onwards. So that's how it's gonna go here. And then you have the verse, you can edit the lyrics in here, the styles, and so on if there's something that you'd want to add in extending the song. And once you are now happy with all of the options, click here on create, and it will now be extended. And that's how you can extend a song in Suno AI.